In this video, we're going to show you how to create your own stand and Please Donate. So we are now logged into Please Donate, and it's very easy to make a stand or to have a stand. Once you join the game, you're gonna have a stand on your own. By default, you're gonna get one of these, so you could just claim these. So as you can see here, if I go closer, it's gonna say press E to claim, right? For example, like you can choose whatever stand, right? So as you can see here, people have been claiming their stands. As you can see here, these are people who have stands right now, right? So for example, let's claim these one. Claim stand, hold press E, and as you can see here, it is now ours. So claim booth, right? Stands are also called booths. So that's how. Another way to get stands is to get free codes, because sometimes like Roblox games almost every month, pretty much every month has free codes. So you can just need to Google the game. So please donate, as you can see here. Please donate codes, as you can see here. The free UFO stand, new code, pixel, free pixel booth, free laser beam booth, free gift box, new code. So yeah, you could so yeah, you could get free stands too via getting a code and redeeming it. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.